Redlands Unified has engaged in a system-wide innovative approach to increase math engagement and achievement by integrating coding and robotics into math instruction so that all students have an opportunity to learn math in different ways and make it achievable for all students.
I think one of the big issues that kids have with math is they just start to feel like they can't do it, and they learn that at a pretty young age. When they see other people being successful with very little effort, and then for them it's really hard, they just kind of start to check out of math class.
I think it's an important activity to do is because everybody gets to share the ideas and they get to learn new things while they're doing it.
Working, collaborating with a team are life skills that these students can take with them forever and ever. I taught them what the word collaboration means and how different characteristics and personalities coming together and using different strengths to come up with a final product is an amazing thing that they will be able to take with them throughout their lives.
We're learning a lot about math and computer. It's fun. The project I did is like a spinny thing. We used 2 robots to make it spin faster.
It's really important to get them started with robotics and coding early because it's their future. We have no idea what it's going to look like when they graduate high school. And I think every student's going to need to have some understanding of how coding works, computer science. Their technology skills need to be off the charts, just way more advanced than we were when we were kids. So starting them as early as possible, it just gives them that comfort level with it, that ease, where it's just second nature to them. It's like holding a pencil.
Yeah, I feel really proud because we can connect the robots, we can learn math and reading while doing it, and it's fun to do it.
I believe in the program. I was skeptical at first, I always say. The more I learned about it, the more I loved it, and I actually can see hands-on results, and not only from formal and informal assessments, but I see these students' personalities come out and their creativity come out.
So if we want to keep them engaged, I think attitude is everything, and having that good self-image when it comes to your mathematics abilities is important. That's going to help see them through much longer than just, I don't know, a textbook could.